Hey guys, this is Leonard's channel, and I know I'm not talking loud because it's late. This is Wednesday, and I'm going to show you some things so far that I got from my job from the teacher cleanup today, this week so far. And the first thing, I'm going to show you all my church notebooks and the things that I got. So we're going to start with the first set of things that I got. Is this Hot Wheels car. It is the Power Surge 2015 car. Then I got these two little miniature graduation bubbles. Then I got this fidget toy. And it's green and blue. Oops. It does that. So yeah, that's what it does. And I have it along with my fidget spinners. Oops, sorry about that. I have it along with my fidget spinners. And then I got 3 pairs of new scissors. They're safety scissors. Oops. This one is from Pen Plus Gear. It's light blue. It's like sky blue. And it has triangles on it. And then I got this one from Scotch. It's lavender. And then I got these pair of safety scissors that are lavender and yellow. And then here's all my church journals. And I got some new ones too. I'm getting some more for my birthday and stuff. The first one is the Our Daily Bread Prayer Journal Finding Peace for Today. This is what it looks like. And this is what the back says. And I'm just going to show you what a picture of it looks like. And this is one of the pictures that are inside of it looks like. So this is the first picture inside here, and then it has like a little Bible verse there. So Bill Crowder from Wisdom. These are words of wisdom that the people wrote in there. So I have another one, but I don't know where that is. It's probably at my mom's house. This is the second one that I got from their prayer journal. And then I got the primary story journal, the mouse on it. There's a 4 set of these. This came off Amazon. On the back it has a hermit crab right here. And it comes with the letters of the alphabet inside, and numbers. And this is what it looks like in the back. And then this is the second primary story journal with the giraffe writing on the board. Comes with letters and numbers. That comes with the same. And then this back is a rocket ship, a moon, a star, and the sun. So, yep. That's my current one. And then this one is a primary journal. It has a girl drawing a picture of her dog in a cast. And the sun is out, and there's the house. And this is what it looks like in the front page. Nothing here, blank. And it says, without your voice we don't exist. Please support us and leave us a review. Jari art. That's what it says there. And this is what it looks like on each page of these things. And then all the pages had little hearts on them throughout the whole notebook. And it was made in September of 23. There's the barcode. And it's blank on the back. Jari art, that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like on the front. And then the next one is from Sunshine and Sage Company. Composition notebook, wide rule, 80 sheets, 7.5 inches by 9.75 inches, 9.1 centimeters by 24.8 centimeters, made in Vietnam. Paper from reusable sources, and it has sunglasses, a blue pair of sunglasses, green pair of sunglasses. It says chill out, surf. There's a shark fin, my favorite. The game remote, which is gaming remote. Surfboard. And then on the, oh, it's supposed to say surf here. So this is what it looks like on the back. And it's blank here. And blank here. And this is Pen Gear Composition by Walmart. This was made in 2018. It's yellow. And it has class schedule on the top here. And it has measurements and conversions. There's a ruler down there. It shows down here, I didn't notice that, but it shows clothing size. You can see it right there. It says clothing size, women's clothing, men's shoes, women's shoes. Oh, women's clothing, men's suits, women's shoes, men's shoes. And then back here it says time zones. All different time zones back here. And this is composition book, pen plus gear, made in the US. Factory wide rule, 80 sheets. Same thing, black and white marble composition book. Web reference, class schedule from the front. Spelling rules, punctuation, fractions, decimals, percentages, multiplication chart, metric unit in the back. Then the primary ruled composition book, 100 sheets. Alphabet and print and numbers. Alphabet and cursive and numbers. And a blank back. So that's that. And last but not least, this is the primary journal grades kindergarten through second grade draw and write book, and it shows you what the blank space is. This is a red one, and it says 8x5 times 11 letter size pages, 5.8 inches ruled, and made in the United States, Orlando, Florida, August 30th of last year. And it's blank. And this is what it says here. You have to put your name here, this journal belongs to, and you put your name up there. And then you say grade, put your grade right here. So, yep. So it's just blank. This is what a page will look like here. This one. So, yeah. So this is what I got. So bye for now from the Midnight Channel. Bye.